Today I'm opening two of the past Geek mystery boxes from Geek Gear. This is where you get mystery items from the past out of any of the boxes, World of Wizardry box or the Geek Gear standard subscription box. And it's a mixture and you get at least 8 items and it's $12.99. These are still on the site as far as I know, so if you want to buy them I'll put a link to their site down below. Right, let's go open the first one. For all I know there might be the same things in both boxes, I'm not really sure. You're guaranteed to get at least one t-shirt in there. Let's take the t-shirt off so you can see what the box is and say. Like I said, these are total random from the World of Wizardry boxes or from the normal Geek Gear boxes. So we'll start with the t-shirt. These are my daughter's size. So there's Dobby. Free elf it says on it. She'll quite like that t-shirt. Right. So what else is in the box? These are a pair of Geek Gear exclusive Slytherin socks. Personally, I'm a big Hufflepuff fan, so I don't think I'll be wearing these, but I'm sure somebody out of the house will get a benefit of them, probably my husband. They've got the green Slytherin tie on the side. It's a black pair of plain socks. And next we have some DC original comics coaster set. There's 4 designs on them: Batman, Superman, The Flash and Green Lantern. Let's have a look inside. See what they look like. There's a picture on the back if you want to have a look. They seem pretty strong, they're not the cheap coasters either. You get some really cardboard cheapy coasters, but these don't seem like that. They seem quite good quality. Right, there's the Flash one and the corked back. And there's the Batman one. Let's go. And there's the Green Lantern. And there's Superman. I do like these because I prefer DC to Marvel myself, so it's quite a good set. Next out of the box is an Avengers Age of Ultron wallet with a 3D picture on the front. And then inside it's just a basic wallet for your card. There's somewhere for your cards and somewhere for your change and a picture or anything you want to put in there. Quite a nice wallet. My husband might like that because he needs a new one. And next out of the box is a wand. Now I'm not sure who this is. I might know once I get in, but I don't know everybody's one, so got quite a lot of wands off Geek Gear in the past, and they're really good quality. They're made out of really good quality resin. And there's the wand. It does look familiar, but I can't remember whose it is. It's got that detail on the handle. So if anybody wants to take a guess whose wand that is. And again, these are really good quality ones. Right, next out of the box is a Geek Gear pin. An XL pin, and it's of Thor's hammer. And we've got the gold edition. That's really good. You can get original or silver as it shows you on the back. It's a really nice pin. Next out of the box is some Harry Potter festival bracelets. One has a Department of Magical Law Enforcement on it, and the other is just a Ministry of Magic one. So even though there's still a lot of items in the box, these are really good quality for $12.99. As soon as I see these on the website, I jump on them every time because they really are. They're good. This is a poster with all different houses on it, and the Hogwarts crest in the middle. There's mine, Hufflepuff. It's a really large poster that'll look nice on my wall. Right, and next in the box is a Batman projection torch. Sorry about that. I'm not going to take this out of the box, and I'm not sure you'll be able to see it anyway. But it just projects the bat symbol on the wall. That'd be a nice little present for my nephew, he likes Batman. And next out of the box is a Game of Thrones notepad. This feels really good quality, it's really heavy, and it's just got the line, just normal line paper with the Game of Thrones logo on the side. It's the same all the way through, and it's got a map of inside. I don't know anything about Game of Thrones, I've never watched it, so. And next out of the box is another pin. Hogwarts pin. I think this is a Ravenclaw one with the look of a scarf. And this is a silver edition. So again, we've got a special edition one like the gold one earlier. Right, and the last thing in the box. Out of the way now. The last thing out of the box is a Justice League poster, which is really good. I love the Justice League film. I know not everybody did, but I did. There we go, that's not bad for one box. So now we'll see what's in the second box. Like I said, this will be exactly the same as what I've just got in that box, but that's what you get from being right. It doesn't look the same, so that's good. Show you inside the box. You can't really see clearly because. Right, I'll show you the t-shirt. This again is another medium for my daughter, so. And it's another Dobby t-shirt. This time it says, "Such a beautiful place to be with friends." It's a really sweet one. Now this is an Iron Man apron. Oh, this is really good. I'm sure my husband's going to love this. It's a bit of a battle in this house. I'm an Iron Man fan and he's a Captain America fan. Out. There we go. It's just Iron Man's torso. That'll be really good. I like that. And the next out of the box is a Dobby, really cute rubber Dobby keyring. So cute. And again, there's plenty. Oh, I really like this. This is a Geek Gear exclusive beanie hat. I wear a lot of these hats in the winter and when it gets cooler. It says "You're a Wizard" on it. It's got the lightning bolt on the back. Definitely be wearing that one. The next item, I think, is another one. I've got a lot of ones now. You always do really well with packaging. Yeah, I don't think I've ever got anything broken from Geek Gear. You really do well with packaging and make a real effort with it. This one's a bit strange, I'm not sure who this one does. Of course there's no spoiler card like there is with a regular box, so I'm not sure whose one that is, but it's pretty cool. Right. Next thing out of the box is a poster. But if you can get hold of these, I really recommend you do. For $12.99 you get so many items in the box. Now I think I've got this poster, I think I got it out of the special edition box. It's a Quidditch World Cup one. I think if you look back in one of my previous videos you'll see that poster in there. I think that was out, because I always get the special edition boxes and these past mystery boxes. I used to have the subscription, but I stopped that because I was getting too much stuff I didn't want. And oh, this is good. This is a flag, a Hufflepuff flag. Sorry, I had it wrong way up. There we go. It's Hufflepuff, like pennant flag. I think that's what they call them. I'm not sure. But that'll be going on my wall. I really enjoy that. And next out of the box is a Star Wars wallet. No, actually, this might be more down my husband's street, a Star Wars wallet. Again, it's got exactly the same stuff. It's got a little bit for your change, for your cards, and for a picture. These are licensed products, so that's really good. Not sure where that's come from. Well, I think it was in the house banner. I think it's the lid off the house banner. Another item out of the box is a Star Wars journal notepad. You get an awful lot of stuff in these boxes. Again, really good quality notepad. I will most likely use these. This is plain paper with a little stormtrooper in the corner. And it's got the band that goes over the front with the stormtrooper on the bottom. It's a really nice notepad. We've got a few more items in here. This is Luna Lovegood from Harry Potter. Oh, can't really see because there's a glare on it. And she's a regular one, the original pin. That's a really nice pin, that'll be going on my bag. And then there's another pin. This is World of Wizardry pin, and it's the guy out of the new. I haven't watched them as much as I have the Harry Potter films. I can't remember his name. I think it's Johnny Depp's character. I can't remember what he's called. And this is the original pin as well, not the gold or the silver. If anybody can remember his name, please comment it down below. Last but not least, is a Captain America poster or print. Yeah, my husband really likes him, so I might have this. Right, that's everything in the box. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe, please press the button down below, and please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please check out our other videos on our channel. We've got plenty now, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.